In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on YouTube's safe search. This is a really useful setting if you're trying to filter out potentially mature or inappropriate content, especially on a shared device, or if kids have access to your computer or phone. On YouTube, this feature is called restricted mode, and I'll walk you through exactly how to turn it on step by step. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. You can simply type youtube.com into the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want these settings to apply. While restricted mode can work even if you're not signed in, it's much easier to manage and keep consistent when you're using a logged in account. Once you're on YouTube, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or an icon with your initial. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with various account options and settings. In this menu, scroll down until you see an option labeled Restricted Mode Off. This tells you that the filter is currently disabled. Go ahead and click on that Restricted Mode Off option. A small panel will pop up at the bottom of the screen with more information about what restricted mode does. You'll see a short description explaining that restricted mode helps hide videos that may contain mature content, flagged either by users or by YouTube systems. Right below that description, you'll see a toggle switch. At the moment, it should be in the off position. Click on the toggle to turn it on. When the switch moves to the right and changes color, that means restricted mode is now active on this browser. From now on, YouTube will try to filter out content that may not be appropriate, based on its automated systems and community reports. Keep in mind that restricted mode works on a browser-by-browser basis. If you use YouTube on another browser or another device, you'll need to repeat these same steps there. Also, no filter is perfect, so some videos might still slip through, but this is a strong first layer of protection, and that's all you need to do. You've successfully turned on YouTube's safe search, or restricted mode, and made your viewing experience a bit safer and more family-friendly.